Everyone, my name is Ashante from the Department of Basic Science. So today my topic is polymorphism in OOPS in Java. So let's see what is polymorphism. So polymorphism means many forms. Polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. Okay, polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes related to each other by the inheritance. Like we specified in the previous chapter, inheritance lets let us inherit attributes and methods from another class or other class. Polymorphism uses those methods to perform different tasks. So here you can see the definition. So how many types of polymorphism? Polymorphism are mainly two types. That is runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism means it is achieved through it is achieved through method overloading and compile time polymorphism. Both they are achieved through method overloading only. Java doesn't support operator overloading, but does internal operating overloading. There are mainly two types of this one polymorphism: runtime polymorphism and compile polymorphism. Runtime polymorphism is achieved through method overloading, and same way the compile time polymorphism also adjusted by or achieved by method overloading. It doesn't have supporter, but does internal operator overloading. So example of runtime polymorphism. So you can see a Splinter class extends by and overrides and its run bracket method. Okay, we're coming the run method by reference variable of parent class. Since it refers to the subclass object and subclass method overrides the parent class method, the subclass method is invoked at runtime. So this can be the example of runtime polymorphism. So what is an example of compile time polymorphism then in Java? Oops, in Java. So here you can see here method overloading is an act of implementing complement or compile time polymorphism. Okay, method overloading is an example of best example of compile time polymorphism. Other example of compile time polymorphism are constructor overloading and method hiding. So what are the advantages of polymorphism in Java? Here you can see that allows for dynamic building, allowing the appropriate method to be invoked at runtime depending on the object's real class, allows for the treatment for of objects as a single type, which makes it simpler to create a universal code that is capable of handling objects of various types. So this can be the advantages of polymorphism in Java. So if we say advantage also, we'll say disadvantages of polymorphism. So polymorphism, it ends up raising performance issue in real time. And polymorphism reduces the readability of the code. Programmers find polymorphism is a little bit challenging to implement. So this can be the disadvantages and stuffness of the polymorphism. So polymorphism conclusion we'll see. So conclusion, polymorphism enables the same method to be called on different objects, resulting in different behaviors depending on the actual type of the object at runtime. Polymorphism promotes code reusability, abstraction, and the ability to write more generic and flexible code that can handle different types of objects. So here we can see that polymorphism enables the same method to be called on different objects, resulting in different behavior depending on the actual type of the object at runtime. Polymorphism promotes code reusability, abstraction, and the ability to write more generic and flexible way the code that can handle different types of the object in Java. Okay, so we have seen the advantages. First of all, we have seen the this one advantages, disadvantages, definition, types, and example for each, runtime and compile time, and finally the conclusion. So thank you for watching.